welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. So real quick guys, I just got this electric grinder from Amazon. This isn't a collab, it isn't a paid review or nothing. It's just I want to give my unbiased review, so that's why I purchased it myself. It is a dry grinder, Zhengzai electric grinder. So from the review, from what I saw on Amazon, it can blend dry coffee and dry ingredients like nuts and all that stuff. So where I come from, we do use dry ingredients a lot, and I've been wanting something to use in blending my dry ingredients. So I decided I'm going to test it out for you guys, and we're going to see if this blender is worth it. I'll let you guys know how much I bought the blender at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So it also has this. It's a scooper. I don't think I'm going to be needing this anyway, but let me open it for you guys to see. This is the scooper to use in scooping up your dry ingredients. This is pumpkin seeds. We call this pumpkin seeds. It's called egusi where I come from. And then here we do have some dry crawfish that I'm going to be using it to blend. I'm going to be testing it out. I think I do have dry ogbono as well. You know what? So this is the blade according to, so right here it says this is the blade, the grinder itself, and then here is the cleaning brush which you use to clean, right? And then inching switch. So it doesn't technically have a switch. I guess it's when you lock it. I don't know how. Oh, okay. So this goes in here. Yep. And then it blends. So I'll go ahead and I'll put my first dry ingredient. I can use the spoon to scoop it, but just gonna waste my time. So I'll just go ahead and dump my dry ingredients in there. So I do have my dry ingredients, and again right here I'll put this, match this into here, and that's it guys. So I'll go ahead and I'll plug it. This is the cord. The cord is not that long, but hey guys, let's see what it can do. Amazing. This is amazing guys. All you just need to do is apply pressure to it and it blends. That was so fast guys, really fast. Okay, so yes, as much as it is good, the advantage and the disadvantage is you can't stuff it so much with so much ingredients. It just has to be very little. So if you're someone like me that we blend in bulk, in batches, you're gonna have to figure it out. So for this, I'll probably be doing it quite a number of times. Let me go ahead to scoop the remainder of it out. I think I should have ogbono somewhere. So I don't take coffee. I could have blended coffee. I do take coffee actually, but I don't have raw coffee at home to test it with. So that's that guys. So I'll go ahead and I'll blend my other dry ingredients real quick. You can only put little at a time. So this is just a little I can do right now. I like to add more. Okay guys, so You know.
Mommy, it is having the water.
Sorry. Hey, I'm making a video, Joe. Kilo Shane.
Mommy, is it still has it? Is that what I did?
Let him drink small and give you now, madam. Okay guys, so now that you guys have seen the outcome of what I blended, this is some dry crawfish, and you guys see how smooth it is. For my egusi, I think I overloaded the blender, so I do still have some particles. So you know what, there's an advantage to this and there's a disadvantage to this. The advantage to this dry grinder is you can only blend just a very little amount inside of it, so you're gonna have to exercise a lot of patience. If you're gonna be blending a large quantity, say something like this, you're gonna have to blend, like, I'm not exaggerating, about 10 times. You're gonna have to be doing it for about 10 times, because guys, it can only take little quantities. When you do too much or you overload it, you guys know the weird smell that you hear that comes out from a blender when it's being overworked. You perceive the smell. That is exactly what I perceived while using this blender today. So how much did I buy the blender? I think it was $24. With taxes, it was actually $22, but with taxes and shipping, it came about to $24. So will I say it's worth it? I'll say it's worth it because it was actually cheap. So for the size, I'll say it's worth it, and it's really blending really efficiently and fast. I don't know how it's gonna blend other dry ingredients, maybe like cloves, dry cloves, or not pistachio, almonds. I don't know how it's gonna do with almonds. I didn't test it with almonds. As you guys can see, I only tested it with some egusi right here, which is some pumpkin seeds and some crawfish. So will I advise you to buy this blender if you have the patience to wait and blend in batches? Go ahead and buy the blender. But if you don't have that kind of patience, maybe you just want to prep your coffee or something real quick, then go ahead and buy something bigger. I didn't check the size, I just saw it. I was just like, okay, I'll order it since it's gonna work for me. So I know that at least for the meantime it's gonna work for me. It's stainless steel, and all it need is push to start. Once you just apply pressure on it, all you just need to do is push to start. It overheats, which is what I like, that they put it out here. And it's multifunctional grinding, so I believe it should be able to blend some other ingredients. The voltage is 200 watts. Related voltage 1100 volts to 60 watts, and the power rating is 200 watts. It's okay guys, for me it's okay. It's just okay. It's not like it's wow, but it's okay. All right guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're a Nigerian or an African looking to blend your dry ingredients and you don't have that option, this is a cheap option, very cheap and affordable option. I'll suggest you go ahead and purchase it from Amazon. I'll be dropping the link in the description so you guys can check them out. They call them Zengai. Jesus. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.